Your Excellency Mama Rachel Ruto, the First Lady of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellency, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Professor Abraham Kindiki Kithure, Your Excellency Mama Dr. Joyce Gatira Kithure, Cabinet Secretaries, Speakers of both Houses, Members of Parliament, Governors present, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellency, it's a great honor and privilege to welcome you to Wajir County, the camel capital of Kenya, for the 63rd National Madaraka Day celebrations. On this day, as we reflect on our historic journey towards self-governance, I wish to recognize the courage, sacrifice, and the selflessness of our forefathers and the freedom fighters at both national and regional level. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, allow me first to express our profound gratitude to His Excellency the President of Kenya, President William Samoei Ruto, for according Wajir County and the wider northeastern region the honor to host this year's Madaraka Day. Your Excellency, the name Wajir means coming together. Wajir is not just a geographical space, it was a strategic bastion. Nestled between Garissa and Mandera, Wajir has for centuries stood as a vital artery of trade, a historic crossroads connecting the Republic of Kenya to its neighbors, Somalia and Ethiopia. Long before the colonial borders, Wajir was a prize to be won, a strategic stronghold, a fierce battleground between the British and the Italians. And Your Excellency, this is the only place in Kenya that for 2 years was under Italian rule. Today, Your Excellency, this town is blessed with sacred historic sites for everyone to see. We stand proud as the home of some of the pioneer educational institutions in the Republic of Kenya, including Wajir Full Primary School and Wajir High School, established in the 1940s and 60s respectively. Your Excellency, the people of Wajir have waited for this day. They prayed for this moment, a day when they host you, their President, a day they get the attention of other Kenyans, stand shoulder to shoulder with the leadership of the Republic, witness the parade of our gallant security forces, and experience the unifying force of patriotism that comes with a national occasion of great magnitude such as this. This day, Your Excellency, marks a defining moment in Wajir's journey. Your Excellency, these celebrations say that Wajir is no longer remote and peripheral. It's fully integrated into the country's shared imagination and future. Your Excellency, the people of Wajir and the wider region will for years to come look back to this day with pride and awe. They will remember this great honor bestowed upon this county by you, Your Excellency. They will remember you as the President who did what was thought unthinkable, rotating the hosting of national holidays, and even more courageously deciding that northern Kenya, and of all places Wajir for that matter, will host Madaraka Day. Your Excellency, for a long time the people of the northeastern Kenya have organized loudly and silently about the question of belonging and identity. As a region, our post-independence history is often discussed through the lens of marginalization and judged by the images of drought, ravaged livestock when rains fails, security-related hardships, and state-led citizenship challenges, especially in obtaining identification cards and documents, and in old memories of exclusion. Numerous massacres were executed against the residents, the most heinous being the Wagala massacre in Wajir in 1984. Others were the Malkamari massacre in Mandera and the Garissa town massacre in Garissa, commonly referred to as the Garissa Gubai. Since the second liberation and the introduction of multipartyism, followed by the promulgation of the 2010 Constitution and the inception of devolution, our lot has changed for the better. Just a case in point to illustrate this, Your Excellency, in 2013, before devolution, there was a single doctor in the then Wajir district serving 700,000 people across 56,000 square kilometers. Today, Wajir boasts of 76 medical officers, more than 1,100 healthcare professionals, 174 health facilities, modern theaters in all our sub-county hospitals, and fully fledged emergency and blood transfusion services at the Wajir Teaching and Referral Hospital. Today, Your Excellency, you will honor us by officially commissioning our Level 5 referral hospital. But even with these changes, we still viewed as remote and peripheral. Your Excellency, Northern Kenya did not sprout when you became president. Today, it's part of the conversation because you have clearly demonstrated by action that you're concerned about inclusion and about balanced development. It was therefore a great honor, Your Excellency, when you graciously acceded to our request to host 2026 Madaraka Day celebrations in Wajir County. Your Excellency, your proclamation of one Kenya, a Kenya for all, has further strengthened this journey. Your Excellency, nowhere has the spirit of inclusion been felt more deeply than when in the recent past you came to Wajir County and you made a presidential proclamation on the registration of issuance of national identity cards and other identification documents to border counties. The lifting of discriminatory vetting in the issuance of identity cards was a profound act of political courage. By removing the painful barriers of extra vetting and systemic profiling, you did more than issue identity cards to deserving Kenyans. You restored our dignity. And you gave us a sense of belonging. You have strongly affirmed that a child born in Wajir possesses the same rights, the same dreams, and the same ownership of the Kenyan promise as a child born anywhere else in the Republic of Kenya. Your Excellency, courtesy of hosting Madaraka Day, this municipality and its environs have benefited tremendously, not only from this magnificent stadium, but also from the construction of additional roads, recarpeting of the old roads, drainage works, overlaying of the airport runway. It's been a timely boost for the business community. It created thousands of temporary jobs and enabled safe employment through, among others, content creation. Wajir content creators sprang up overnight and became famous by posting every stage of the construction of the stadium. Your Excellency, on the occasion of the launch of the Nyota program, when you were here last on 12th of February, you committed to give the people of Wajir a commercial terminal and a civilian access separate from the military gate at our airport. I confirm to you that Kenya Airports Authority is actively on the ground and working on this. Your Excellency, the affordable housing project, your flagship transformation agenda, is creating jobs, expanding home ownership, and injecting new life to our local economy. It stands out as the single largest real estate investment in our county. Additionally, many markets and student hostels, classrooms, and laboratories are under construction in all constituencies. The Isiolo Mandera Road is ongoing, thanks to your leadership. And the journey to Singapore is truly on course because of you, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, may I take this opportunity on behalf of the people of Wajir and the entire Northeast to express my deepest gratitude to the establishment and the operationalization of the Livestock Products Marketing Board. Rangeland and pastoralism remain our backbone. There still is need for more investments in feed loss, livestock products, value addition, commercial dairy production, and livestock cooperatives. Your Excellency, as I bring my remarks to a close, allow me to express my deep gratitude for another historic gesture, the establishment of a state lodge in Wajir town. By placing a permanent seat of presidential presence here in Wajir, Your Excellency, you have brought the highest office of the Republic of Kenya to our people. In many years, in many ways, Your Excellency, you have become our resident 001. I look forward to your holding of the first cabinet meeting at Wajir State Lodge. To every investor, entrepreneur, young dreamer watching from across Kenya and beyond, I say this to you: do not wait for the future of Wajir to arrive. Become part of it, invest in it, build it, grow with us. Building the future of Wajir is already unfolding. In closing, Your Excellency, there are many people who I wish were alive to celebrate this great occasion with us today. The late Raila Amolo Odinga, my former party leader, and the late Minister, the Honorable Ahmed Khalif, stand out. The late Raila was a true believer in devolution and was fond of Wajir County, which he visited numerous occasions. As for the Honorable, the late Minister Ahmed Khalif alayhi rahm, Your Excellency, I want to tell you that I am an accidental politician. I engaged in politics for the first time in 2002, not to contest, but to help the late Ahmed Khalif, a man I admired, to recapture his seat as his campaign manager. Your Excellency, it will be a befitting tribute for the people of Wajir in his remembrance to name this magnificent stadium the Honorable Ahmed Khalif Stadium. He was not only a political leader and a human rights champion, but also a religious leader who served as the Secretary General of the Supreme Council of Kenya Muslims. As I close, Your Excellency, once again, Your Excellency, on behalf of the people of Wajir, thank you. Asante sana. And as we say here, Mahat Sanit. Your Excellency, when you honor someone in our culture, and the highest honor is given to kings, Your Excellency, the community for the king contributes 100 camel. The elders of Wajir have said that you are our king, and they will give you 100 camel to be delivered by them at a place of your choice. You are our Sultan. It's now, Your Excellency, my distinct honor and privilege to invite His Excellency the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Professor Abraham Kindiki Kithure, to make his remarks and invite Your Excellency. A happy Madaraka Day to you all, the people of Wajir, the people of Northeastern, and to Kenyans at large. Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Your Excellency, as I was reading this speech, I was shaking, and Senator Cheriot will tell you, I spent half the time sitting there crying. Thank you.